Okay, I feel so fancy just in the lobby of this place. I feel underdressed.
Oh cool, look at this. Welcome to the lobby outside. 22. So welcome to the Marriott on Waikiki Beach. This is the room tour for our room 2272.
Aloha, come on in.
Oh my goodness gracious.
So we are staying in a king bed room here at the Waikiki Beach Marriott. We booked this room using points, so we're staying for 4 nights, totally free. Let's go check it out. So the first thing I noticed when we walked in this room was just how spacious it is. Everything here in Hawaii is just a little bit smaller. It's kind of like New York. There's limited space, limited real estate, so they have to make the most of their space. So it was really great to see just how big this room is. I think we have the benefit of being on the very end, which means we have a balcony and a big window that we will show you both views, but it really just helps expand the room. So when you first walk in, you see the big king bed, and everything in here is very modern. All the touches are modern. I don't know if this is a new hotel or newly renovated hotel, but it looks very new. Everything's very modern. Oh, got a mini fridge and a gigantic safe, you know, for all the valuables. And then over here, we have our morning coffee options. Some Hawaii coffee, teas, and then everything it looks like can brew in our little coffee maker here. And then this is just a nice little space to put all your stuff. Some sanitizing wipes, because what would the world be today without hand sanitizer everywhere? So then as you come into the room, there's a nightstand over here with a big drawer, and then that's it for storage in the room. This is probably the first time I've ever filmed a room tour without really looking at the room first, so you're learning with me as I learn. They did tell us at check-in that they have a DVD rental program, and I see the DVD player down here, complete with a huge TV. Wow! Hulu, Netflix, HBO Go! All right, well there's our vacation right there. We don't even need to go to the beach. And then the room just continues. So then we have a nice table on this side. They've got 2 outlets here and 2 USB outlets, so that's perfect right next to the bed. And you might think that's all that's in this room because you've already seen a gigantic bed, the entertainment area, but there's also this really nice seating area. Oh, that's comfortable. Oh yeah. Come back in an hour.
It's been an hour.
Okay, so they've got this huge couch. They've got a table to sit at and this really cute chair. That's fun. Not very comfortable. So before we check outside to see our views, let's go check out the bathroom. When you first walk into our room, you've got a closet on this side and then the bathroom on this side. It looks brand new. Like I said, everything in this resort looks brand new. You can even just tell by the different like finishes that it's more modern and like the current styles going on. So let's check out the bathroom. Here's the bathroom. We've got a very nice shower. It's got 2 different shower heads in here. So like a rain waterfall head and then like a detachable one. Everything else in here is pretty standard amenities, but a really nice sized vanity with good storage under here. So now that you've seen the bedroom and the bathroom, let's check out our window that looks out over the side of the hotel because we are in the end unit. Okay, well, looks like our window used to open. I'm pretty strong. I don't think it opens anymore. I think they probably sealed these bad boys shut. But we've got a nice view of, I don't think that's our hotel's pool, but a hotel's pool, hot tubs, some tennis courts maybe? And like a nice view. I think the sun will rise like probably right behind that building, but we should have a nice like sky view tomorrow morning when we're up at 3 a.m. because of jet lag. We'll have a nice view of the sunrise. So if you think that's a good view of the island, wait till you see what's out on our balcony. And wait till we see what's out on our balcony. Oh my god! Okay, well first of all, I think that's Diamond Head over there. What better view could you ask for in Hawaii? I don't think you can. I think this is the perfect view. And also, we're only like 2 blocks walking to the ocean, so we can see it, we can walk to it. This is great. So that was a tour of our room here at the Waikiki Beach Marriott. However, don't go anywhere. We're gonna get changed, maybe take a quick nap, and then we're gonna give a full resort tour.
When we checked in, they're like little water satchels.
They even have a handle. But no water comes out until... Oh my god, you got it really good.
That's good.
This is awesome. So the pool's on the 3rd floor, and it's got, looks like maybe 2 pools. We'll go check it out, but they've got loungers that look over to the beach with this fully like clear glass wall. So a really neat view of the beach, but from the pool. We're very sleepy, but we've made it to the beach.